What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add or deposit some USDC onto your Pocket Option account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you create your Pocket Option account, you will be on this default homepage right here. So from here, to deposit some USDC, you would need to select the finance option in the left hand side. Once you clicked on finance, go ahead and click on the first option which says deposit. Now, once you're on the deposit tab, here you can see a lot of different deposit options, but we would need to stay in the cryptocurrency section. So here under the cryptocurrency, if you just scroll down a bit, you would be able to see some USDC deposit options. So you have USDC on ERC20, so Ethereum, you have USDC on the Base network, and you also have USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. So in this case, you would just need to select whichever one of these works for you. So let's say that you have some USDC on your Ethereum wallet. So in this case, let's say MetaMask. Then you would need to select this option because the Ethereum is the correct network for you. But the cheapest option to deposit USDC on Pocket Option is of course the Binance Smart Chain. So for this example, we will select that one. Once you selected your deposit chain, you would need to input the amount that you would like to deposit. So keep in mind that the minimum amount for this deposit option is €8.80 or about $10. So I will just input the amount as €10. And then once you input the amount, you would just need to click continue and pay €10 or the USDC amount right here. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you would be able to access your deposit address, or the deposit address will be generated. So to send over some funds from your wallet or exchange or wherever you keep your USDC, you would need to scan this barcode right here if you have your wallet or exchange on your phone. But if you have your wallet or exchange on this device, so the one that you're currently using, you can just copy this information right here. So first, of course, just go ahead and copy your deposit address. So this is the address to which we will be sending our USDC to, aka the deposit address for USDC on our Pocket Option account. So I will be using my MetaMask wallet, but this will work with whichever wallet you currently have, given that it is on the Binance Smart Chain. So just go ahead and open up your wallet. Now in the upper left corner, you would need to select the correct chain. So my chain is already selected as the Binance Smart Chain, so I will just leave it at that. Now go over to your tokens tab, and here you would need to select USDC. So I currently don't have any USDC, but for this example, I will just select USDT or Tether. But you be sure to select USDC. So click on USDC, then click on send, or before you click send, you can also check the network that is the correct one right here. Now click on send, and here we would just need to paste over the address that we just copied from here. Now once you pasted over the address, you would need to input the amount of USDC that you would like to transfer from your wallet to Pocket Option. So this should be this exact amount right here, so 11.38. Now once you inputted the exact amount, as you can see here, you would need to click on continue. And this is the last step of depositing to Pocket Option. So now once you click confirm, you will send these funds to your Pocket Option account. So just go ahead and click confirm, and in about 3 seconds time, you should be able to see your funds on your Pocket Option account. But for this example, I will just click cancel because I don't want to fund my Pocket Option account right now. Also, if you guys want to know how you can transfer some money on your Pocket Option account using a debit card, you can watch this video right here. So essentially, this guys how you can deposit USDC on your Pocket Option account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.